Coming to an event like this where we can all get together and see each other's faces and actually be empowered and inspired by each other's stories and see where your careers can go is a huge thing. We are often told that tugboats are no place for women. So to have a company like Seaspan have a Women in the Marine Industry event where we can have this camaraderie between women, where we all get together and go, no, tugs are a place for women, is a huge thing.
I wanted just to encourage women to look at opportunities within the marine industry, whether it's Seaspan or BC Ferries or High Sea or any of our other peer companies. I think the possibilities are endless. We heard today women sharing their stories of being the first barge operator in North America, master mariners, now directors of a marine institute, senior master, senior chief engineer, BCIT instructor, really pushing to get education to the north and really help our First Nations communities. I think we saw a lot of really great things that women are doing in the industry, and I think it's inspired a lot of others to do the same.
This is an absolutely critical conversation for us to be having. The marine industry is so many decades behind other industry when it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Let's bring people together and let's have these difficult conversations and start somewhere so that we can actually be the best that we can as an industry.
I wanted to be a part of it because I want to be around women that empower other women. Growing up, I always wanted to be involved in the marine industry, but I didn't think that I had a chance. I know I'm smart and I know that I could do this, but today really solidified that because I got to see those women that made it. And I want to make it. And that's why I'm here.
I felt so moved by this whole thing, seeing people that looked like me in positions of power. Like, hey, maybe there is a spot for me in this industry. I belong here.
When I'm out there, people see who I am. I'm quite petite. I'm only 5'1". That being said, it's not about my size, and I think I very clearly prove that in the job that I do. It's not about what we look like, it's about the job itself, and we're getting it done.
Whether you are a mom or you are a single person that just wants to see the world and have adventures, there is an opportunity for you within the marine industry. So don't be shy and get to know the people that have been here. We are so open to want to have conversations with you. Reach out and figure out where you fit, because there's a place for you within the industry.
Push forward and find a mentor and talk to people, and that's why this has been such an important event. I think it shows people that there's people out there to help you, get into the industry and find your way in there.
You don't need to be looking for a job in the marine industry. The marine industry needs you. So step up, advocate for yourself, and take your place at the table.
You deserve to be here. You can be here, and you deserve it.
I mean, if you love it, do it. That's it. If you love it, don't let anybody tell you can't do it.
Be bold, be brave, and I promise you can do it.
If you love the water, you love the ocean, and you like adventure, just go for it, give it a try. The opportunity's there, and we really welcome you.